Here are 10 amazing rules for success, broken down step by step to help you achieve your goals, whether personal or professional. 1. Set clear, achievable goals. Step 1. Define what success looks like for you. Is it financial freedom, personal happiness, career advancement, or something else? Step 2. Break your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Step 3. Set specific, measurable, and time-bound goals, SMART goals. Pattern 2. Develop self-discipline. Step 1. Create a daily routine that prioritizes productivity. This can involve setting time for work, self-care, and rest. Step 2. Practice delayed gratification, focusing on long-term benefits instead of short-term pleasure. Step 3. Track your progress daily to ensure you're staying disciplined. 3. Take responsibility. Step 1. Own your choices, successes, and failures. Don't blame external factors for setbacks. Step 2. Reflect on mistakes and see them as learning opportunities. Step 3. Adopt a mindset of continuous improvement where you're always striving to do better. 4. Learn continuously. Step 1. Develop a habit of reading, whether books, articles, or research related to your field of interest. Step 2. Stay updated with trends, technologies, and skills that are essential for your growth. Step 3. Network with others who can provide new knowledge, mentorship, or different perspectives. 5. Stay persistent. Step 1. Prepare for obstacles, because success rarely comes without setbacks. Step 2. When facing failure, evaluate what went wrong, but don't give up. Use it as fuel to try again. Step 3. Stay committed to your long-term vision, even when progress seems slow. 6. Embrace change and adaptability. Step 1. Stay open to new ideas and be willing to pivot when necessary. Don't get stuck in rigid thinking. Step 2. Recognize when circumstances are out of your control and adjust your plans accordingly. Step 3. Cultivate flexibility in your mindset, knowing that change can bring new opportunities. 7. Surround yourself with positive influences. Step 1. Choose your friends, colleagues, and mentors wisely. Surround yourself with people who motivate and inspire you. Step 2. Avoid negative influences that drain your energy or demotivate you. Step 3. Build a strong support system of individuals who share similar values and aspirations. 8. Take calculated risks. Step 1. Step outside your comfort zone, but always assess the potential outcomes of your actions. Step 2. Weigh the risks against the potential rewards and make informed decisions. Step 3. Learn from both successes and failures, understanding that risks are part of the journey to success. 9. Focus on health and well-being. Step 1. Prioritize physical health with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough sleep. Step 2. Take care of your mental health through mindfulness practices, meditation, or stress management techniques. Step 3. Develop a balance between work and personal life to avoid burnout. 10. Stay consistent. Step 1. Show up every day, even when you don't feel motivated. Consistency often trumps talent. Step 2. Establish good habits and stick to them. Small, consistent actions lead to massive results over time. Step 3. Maintain focus on your goals without getting distracted by short-term temptations or setbacks. By following these 10 steps, you'll create a strong foundation for long-term success in any endeavor. Consistency, learning, and adaptability are key elements that will help you stand out and achieve your full potential.